So, our regular today occasion here is focused about the testifier pen jumpers. Can you running off of this are they functional or are they broken? Let's take a look around here, different hard drive and how well this works around here. This is 230 here. So we have a look at ATX values here. And does the function, do they work or not? So I'm gonna give it the mark one here. So wait, first we need some pen. So we will mark it. Are they functioning or are they not functioning here? Corresponding here. So here we go. First of all, let's put a jumper here. As usually is a green 3 and 4 here. So it's been a 3 and 4 here. Okay, so let's think about what happened here. There's various devices here, and it's my interest to get them to start running here. Nothing more difficult than that here. Here's the first thing here, and looks like here this is a running on here, despite here. So we need to also voltmeter here, okay? So I will measure here that they actually have some power on. Okay, so I'm gonna get right here. This voltmeter, it's a very fucking bad place. Sever those lines if you keep it on as everything else here. Here it is. Let's look around. 3.6. The power is definitely down, but it is running here. This is obviously broken, my friend here. 6 Hz, usually 50 Hz, 49.995 here. So different today. So there should be nothing going on here. And we ask about the why it doesn't work here. Is it dangerous to putting around 50 Hz? But on here, well, that's 3.6 here, 3.5. Is there always 3.5 every channels? 3.5. Everything's 3.5 here. Is this even 3.5 here? Can I get any measurement? Is it dangerous? I don't know. 3.5. This is our 3 voltage, and there's always a 3 kind of different things. I gotta see about this. One of the most important thing about every ATX should we have here. Does it look like a normal ATX because it's missing about something? Unfortunately, you're gonna find about this a 4-pin here unit. These are 4-pin of the case on 80. These are 4 here, and then there is this ATX here. Plus there is a 1 of this extra. I don't know where speaker here. Might be problem to ever to even initiate this thing here. Okay, this is obviously broken of this one. Just take off here. Power on, power off. Measure about how much here. So edit green or beige breaks mean non-functional. NF. Non-functional is given as the status of this one. Fortunately, this doesn't work. This might as well turn over hell off this thing. Something 250 watt is maximum output. We have 4 tests today. The next one here, we're gonna have a measure of the initial all this voltage here. Let's go to here 0.5, 10. Okay, 1 of 10 of the volt here, or millivolt, 56 millivolt here. Okay, so now there's not a measurement here. Okay, what's the unit of specification here? Let's come back here. Normally 250 max for 120 watt here. Well, this is not gonna be very useful here. Let me just say that thing. It just init here. This is a typical ATX here. Okay, lucky 4. Exactly the same configuration, except there's a 5 this time around here. First of all, you have to ask about yourself. You put it right, but here is a white line, it's a black here. It's a 450 here as far as I'm concerned. So it's a 450 here. Look at one here. Here's the most important option here. If you use example is 230 or 115 here, it's half of the rate here. 230 for good reason here. I don't know about some wristband person here. If you put the here too much here, let's take a photo. Obviously, what happened here? Oh, there's something dangerous. You take a look around here. This is scary here. Take a look around. Volt is 8. 8 volt. There's something so really broken after that system here. I just find myself here. Don't touch it when you're in real life here. This is a very well. Look at this. Electric auction here. The sock 6.7 here. Look at the hertz here. 50. Look at this. It's keen as unusual here. 49.5. I don't know what's dangerous here, but look at it here. This is unusual here. Electric count. It's only 8 volt here. That's very unusual here. But it doesn't run this system here. I think this is stupid to even testify about here. Should be automatically running. But I cannot see it run. Is it broken or not? So what do you do then? Well, in the safety case here, you have a more also qualification here system here. Okay. How much now is it? Yeah, 1.5 here. It's quite safe now. Well, this because I can feel that my hands get put now here because when you withdraw, there is a green line here. It's quite an unusual place here. There's a missing about here 180x here. But I got different kind of configuration to the running on here. Here we go. Not so far. This is a very old stuff here anyway. Not so far. So how about the 3 and 4 here? Okay, so I'm gonna give up this because I'm putting non-functional here as tested here. Does somebody know about what he's doing? Oh la la. Well, it's so hot. It's got a pouring job. Like every job's so pouring here eventually here. So does the lift run? So it's all functional here with the station here. And I get a marker here, okay, so non-functional here. Crux here. The cross is a case of given on here and F here. That functional. Unfortunately so. Okay, can I charge it now? Our charge shipping here today is gonna be the compact has a lot of their own. It isn't how safe or good are the compact so-called standard PSUs, power units. Well, that's a very good question here. Is there an extra tester here? Use a power count. There's always a little bit more in metal surfaces here. The power going on than non-metal surfaces here. Okay, what's the configuration here? This is interesting. Have this more modern. Okay, so it's 80x here. The green light is a second here instead of the fourth. First of all, do I even recognize how it should be here? So let's take a look at metal here, okay, so how it's usually put in here. So is it put usually where it is attached here? Is it missing something? 450 here. Okay, here we go. Just like get inside here. Where it would like to be. You have only one chance in your life here. How about this it? 240 here, very little I guess. Show me the fucking power unit here. I gotta get the total watt here count. Really, model output 200 watt. Should be bigger. This thing here is 200 volt. Okay, measurement. The cancel does explode just directly here. Well, give it 6, 7. There's also electric shock range. And it doesn't run again. As usual, is everything broken here? It didn't run, or is the configuration wrong? I don't know. So you have no power unit running here. And not yet again. maybe this configuration of this jumper. Maybe I think I'll look on the internet guess how this configuration is done. This is a third and fourth, 450, so yeah. Probably it's just a green line here. So this is to end this about how does it run. Does it run? There's a fan. We'll see if the fan will move. I think it's maybe unfunctional too. Third successive cross here. Shame of these machines, shame of these machines. So, that's too much functioning yet detected. I hope no more comeback here. This time it is very dangerous. Somebody's broken about even the fan rim here. There's some kind of extra here, 230, there's two different ways. What to say about this? 350, this is a good again. It's 2.6 here. There's really more power here. It's questionable what makes some models have more power. Why don't put maximum? This is a good 350 volts here. Measurement. And it usually have a little bit more of those 350 volts of those attachment here. Let's take a look around here. What's going to happen here? So you can sell some stuff here. Or we're going to probably get rid of it here. Okay. As usual, once you get test here and putting around here. So ATX can test now that this is third and fourth here. Fourth and fifth here. And it's on. Over. What's happened? Not on. It should be automatically maybe. Just stand by here. Start. Okay. Talk about the third and fourth here. So remember it's always inside the case on here. The screen face on here. Now you remember okay so now this going by which side has this thing here. This definitely has a kind of things going on. They just don't work. Disappointing, oh disappointing here. Voltage 3.2, 2.4, 2.4 all in here. This code is quite all badly, and it's incredible that this surface has more voltage than here. The different voltage has even more voltage here. Take a look around here. So there's the electric shocks that we last week received. Oh, the electric shock. That one machine is the caputto. And I guess another 4 broken power units. Holy fuck, this power unit here. All non-function in here. Non-function. Cross, always non-function. So,